start off, we need to warm up and stretch the three most important parts of your body in regards to the walkover. These are your shoulders, back, and legs. So we're going to start off by clasping your hands above your head and pushing your arms back past your head in a pulsing motion in alternating directions. Keep your legs spread evenly apart and your back upright. Next, lean your body forward and push your shoulders forward as far as possible. Then, laying flat on your stomach, push your arms forward as shown to further stretch out your shoulders. Now to stretch out your back to enable you to get up from the walkover, first go into a sealed position and lean one of your hands back towards your opposite leg and pulse. Then switch over and repeat this on your other arm. The next exercise is a sequence, so follow along with what is shown on screen, making sure that when you push through into seal, you really arch your back and lean back as far as you can in the 360-degree motions. Then go into your arms and knees and arch and arc your back, making sure to overemphasize the arch for a deeper stretch. Next, go onto your knees and reach your arms upwards, then lean back into a bridge, then come back up, making sure that your arms come up directly upwards, not through the sides. Now go into a bridge from standing and extend your legs and push on your shoulders. Then bring your legs together and try to get back up. If you're struggling to get back up from the bridge, then check out our bridge tutorial linked above. Now to stretch out your legs, go into a lunge position. When doing this, it is important to make sure that your front knee doesn't go past your front foot. While in the position, lift your arms up and pulse them backwards for a simultaneous shoulder stretch. Then go into the splits to further stretch out your legs. Make sure that your body is straight towards the front. To ensure this, place your opposite arms on legs to straighten out. Then lean back as far as you can and hold, before repeating the same sequence on the other leg. Now, laying on your stomach, rock forward and try to get one of your legs to touch the floor, keeping the bottom leg on the floor, and repeat this on both legs. Now find a ledge or something you can rest your foot under and rock forward before positioning your leg under it and holding. Make sure your body isn't twisted when doing this, and you repeat it on both of your legs. Next, it's time for a few poncho kicks. So squat down before swinging your leg up into the kick. Keep your bottom leg flat on the ground when doing this, so that you can ensure the best possible stretch. Repeat this on both of your legs. So first up, here is a rundown of what is going to happen during the walkover. So you start off with your preferred leg extended, with all your weight on your back leg. Now start to lean your body forward and transfer your weight to the front leg. Now as you're laying your arms down to the floor, It is important to be lifting up your back leg so that when your arms reach the floor, you can use the strength in your other leg to push up off the floor. Once you've pushed off, the most important thing you need to do is be able to harness enough power to be able to bring your weight back to the front leg, which will ensure that you make it to the bridge position. Once you're in the bridge position, you need to put all your weight on your legs to get up from the bridge. It is important to keep your legs as tight as possible throughout the walkover. The variation which is demonstrated now has a pause at each position and is a good starting point to get a smoother walkover. If your aim is to do a seamless walkover, then the main thing you need to note is that as your second leg is coming towards the floor into the bridge, you should put all your weight on the stationary leg and try to come up. The momentum from the leg that is trying to get to the floor will boost you up. The end product should look like this.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, then leave a like and subscribe to our channel.